Hello everyone, I'm Guan Tim. I will go to introduce the chapter 5, insist on using objective criteria with my friend Yang, which is Yue Yang Gao. I believe that everybody have been here about like you have some argues. There is a subjective and the objective, which is from the starter of the worldview or also from the visions. You started from yourself or started from the third point view, which is not in the argue and you standing behind of them to see through about it. And here's the difference about two different criterias. So let's build about the key point, which is there's a five key point. I'll talk about the first three, and let's go to the conflicting interest. It's also more focused on our courses about the conflicting. And let's talk about like, for example, it's like in a negotiation, like each side of the like the negotiating party or the negotiator may based on different kind of goals or visions or missions, they're making conflict, and this thing is based on the personal liking or like the organization's performance and knows and understanding those of the conflicting interests and understanding those the conflicting interests will help a lot of the how to effectively deal with those negotiations. It will help you to understanding it more quickly and then fix it more effectively. And let's see about the next part is the cost of the will based on decision making. It tells about like totally different from the objective meaning, but like you are still in the objective side to view it. It's about like to totally using like every side in the negotiation. So likely to using their willing to deal with it. It's a cost a lot because you need to pay for their billing and low effect, which is there are two part of them. I mean, for example, if it's a two-side negotiation, two part of them were still having problem to deal with, and it will take much more time and make it not that effective. And that will help you. I mean, it's not gonna help you to do a really good negotiation. At the end, this might be like part of them to get more because they're more rich or more powerful, and that's part of them. We just have to be let you set in the lower way, and it's not gonna make that kind of good ending. And for the importance of the objective criteria, there's a lot of benefit on it. So objective criteria this offers a lot of suggestions, also solve conflicts in negotiation. They are independent from the view of the individual parties, and it's more, as I said, objective. So by using it, the legislator can shift their attention from the subjective and into the more logical and rational assessment. It will be more fair, if effect, and also transparency. And this also helps from two sides of them. I mean, to help parties to avoid the position bargaining, and instead they encourage them to seek solutions and based on objective stress to legitimacy and privacy helps to solve them better.
Hello everyone, my name is Yang, and I'm going to talk about developing objective criteria. So, developing objective criteria basically means creating objective criteria, setting clear rules or measures that can be consistently and fairly used to judge something. And these are a few important points I want to talk about. So the first point is define the purpose. Um, It basically means we have to figure out why we need to set clear rules. What do we want to judge or measure? And the second point is identify key factors. So we should decide what is really important to judge and what things matter the most for what we are trying to do. And the third point is about research and gather information. So, which means we have to look up information and collect data about the important things we found. And the fourth point is about clarify measurement methods. So we should think about how we're gonna measure each important thing and what tools or method will we use. And the next point is about established standards. Uh, it basically means set the rules. We have to decide on clear rules or standard for each thing that we're measuring. And what should the measurement look like? And the last but not least point is about test the criteria. So of course we have to try them out and test our rules on a small scale to make sure that they work perfectly. Yeah. And next, I'm gonna talk about fair procedures. So fair procedures refer to the methods or uh, mechanisms used to resolve conflict and make decisions in negotiation. So fair procedures help ensure that negotiations are conducted in a transparent, impartial, and equitable manner. They provide a framework for constructive dialogue and principled problem solving. And examples of fair procedures include unbiased attribution, equitable decision-making method, or collaborative problem-solving techniques, uh, such as brainstorming or joint fact-finding. And this is basically what we covered about our topic. Thanks for watching.